So let us see question number 8 now. So in this first one is find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 4. So trisection, that means 2 points you need to find out between these 2 points. They're equal distance to each other. So let me take the question and draw the diagram and understand clearly. So in this, so let's take the 2 points A and B. So let these two are given. A is 1 comma minus 2 and B point is minus 3 comma 4. We need to find out the trisection. So let P1 and P2 be the 2 points of trisection, and let P1 and P2 be the 2 points of trisection. Okay. So if you see the diagram, now this is the line segment. So point A is here and this is B. If you make this into 3 equal parts, 1, 2. So A P1, P1 to P2 and P to B are equal distance. So these 3 are equal measurements. That means for A and P2, P1 is the midpoint. For P1 and B, P2 is the midpoint. Then the ratio, for example, if I want to find out the first P1 value, then P1, if you take A to P1 is 1 and P1 to B is 2 ratio. Let me see here. If it is 1 part and this must be 2 parts. So let us find out the P1 first. Is dividing the ratio 1 is to 2, that AB line segment. Okay, we can use the ratio formula. So A is 1 comma minus 2 and B is minus 3 comma 4. We'll use the section formula to find out this 1 is to 2 ratio. Then P1 is equals to, the formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay. M and n is 1 is to 2 ratio. So this is the m and it is n, comma m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Which will apply this formula, you will get the coordinate point P1. So then m is 1. So 1 into x2. x1 y1 x2 y2. So if you take, so this is x1 y1 and b is x2 y2. 1 is to 2 ratio, m and n. So m is to n is equals to 1 is to 2. Ratio will take and substitute in this formula. Then you get 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2 comma. Again 1 into 4, y2 is 4, right? Plus 2 into minus 2 by 1 plus 2. So simplify this. Finally we'll get 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1 by 3. Comma, this is plus 4 minus 4, 0, 0 by 3 is 0. So by minus 1 by 3 comma 0 is the point P1. And to find out the P2, if you take 2 is to 1 ratio, you will get P2. Otherwise, if you observe, instead of using P2 in the ratio 2 is to 1, P2 is the midpoint of P1 and B. Just we'll use the midpoint formula, you'll find out the P2 directly. Okay, for P1 and B, we'll use the midpoint formula. So I'll do this side. You observe, P2 is exactly midpoint between P1 and B. Okay, then P1 is minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 by 3 comma 0, and B is minus 3 comma 4. Let us find out the P2 directly. So therefore P2 is the midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So P1 is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So if you apply In this formula you'll get, so x1 is minus 1 by 3 plus x2 is minus 3 divided by 2, and y1 is 0 and y2 is 4 by 2. We'll simplify this. From this you'll get the value of p2, that is minus 5 by 3 comma 2. Minus 1 by 3 plus minus 3, just do LCM and cancel, you'll get this answer. So therefore coordinates of the point of trisection are this both. Then from this 2 we will write the answer. Therefore P1 is one of the point minus 1 by 3 comma 0, and P2 is the other point minus 5 by 3 comma 2. Okay, these are the points of trisection. We can do in this problem in this way. Then let's see next one. So 8th B. This is the find the mean from the distribution table using step deviation method. So we'll use the step deviation method, we'll apply formula and we'll find out the mean. Right. So let me take the table. So this is the class interval and frequency. So class interval is age in years, frequency is number of members. Let's take this to another 4 columns you have to make. So total we need 6 columns. We'll use the step deviation formula to find out the mean directly. Let me show you the table. So in this, take the table first. Then you can apply directly the solutions. So one column, we should take 2 columns from the question text to question itself. There is age in years and exclusive class interval. We should take the class interval and exclusive. Okay, in this 25 to 29, 30 to 34, but you have to convert into exclusive class intervals. The number of members. So we need xi one column from first 3 columns from the question, and we need xi ui and fi ua. So let me take the data. So this is the table for this. First one is age. That is in years. And same thing you have to convert into exclusive. Exclusive class interval, and number of members is fi. Then extra we need xi and ui, fi, ua. These 2 we need. So ui value is, okay, let me take this data first. So in this given values, age in years 25 to 29, 25 to 29, and 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. This is given. So to find out the mean, compulsory we need in exclusive case. That is 0.5 subtract and add. So 25 to 29 becomes 24.5 to 29.5. So next again you get 29.5 to 34.5. So 34.5 to 39.5. Just write like this. 39. So this is 39.5 to 44.5. Again 44.5 to 49.5. 49.5 to 54.5, and last one is 54.5 to 59.5. So this is given, and frequency also given. That is 4 in the question, 14, 22, 16, 6, 5, 3. Okay, this is the given data from the question. Now let us find out the mean using step deviation method. For that we need xi. Xi is the mid value of the class interval. So 25 to 29, it is 27. Another 3 we need to use to ourselves. This is 27. If you don't know, you just add these both numbers and divide by 2. And 30, 34 mid number is 32. Similarly, 37, 42, 47, 52 and 57. So let us assume in this highest one of the middle number. I am taking 42 as assumed mean. So let us assume mean. One number you can assume it. So that is, I am taking this is the assumed mean. Generally mid value from this class range will take the center value. So I am taking this is center. So 42 is assuming. That means ui is equals to xi minus 42 by class size is 5. Class size 24.5 to 29.5 gap is 5. Okay, for this calculation now xi is 27. So 27 minus 42 divided by 5. Next is 32. 32 minus 42 divided by 5. We should find the value. So generally the answers will come whatever assuming, that is straight away 0 and above is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? Anyway you'll get same. 27 minus 42 is minus 15 by 5 is minus 3, right? Similarly 1, 2, 3 is 10 on place. Now Fi Ui, so 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, just multiply, minus 28, minus 22, 0, 6, 10 and 9. Now n value, so n is the sum of the frequency, that is 70, and sigma Fi Ui. You just add the positive numbers, negative numbers and subtract. So you get minus 37 is the total. So let assume mean is 42 I had taken already. Just we'll use the formula. So let assumed mean is equals to 42 I have taken. Then using stub deviation method, the mean. So if you use stub deviation method, you use the formula. Using stub deviation method, that is equals to a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi or n into class size, that is h. So let's apply these values in this. So assumed mean is 42 plus sigma Fi is minus 37 by sigma Fi is 70 into class size is 5. Just we will simplify this. Plus into minus is minus. So 42 minus 37 by 70 into 5. Then just do 70 LCM. 42 into 7, that is 2940 minus 185. Just subtract and divide with 70. You will get 39.36. Let's use calculator. So mean age, therefore mean age is equals to 39.36 years. Okay, because of frequencies in years. Frequencies, this class interval is given in years. So average mean is 39.36. So in between this range approximately. So what you are assuming, that in between the range and you get the answer. Okay. This is minus 22. So this is also 0. Right. So we can solve this mean in this way. Now let us see the next problem. When you see this next question, we are using properties of proportion. Solve 729 a minus x by a plus x whole to the power 5 is equal to a plus x by a minus x. So solve means we need to find out the value of x in this. So we'll use the component and dividend rules. Let me take the data. So your given equation, that is equals to 729 a minus x by a plus x whole to the power 5 is equals to a plus x by a minus x. So we need to solve this. So we know that 729 is 3 power, you can write as 6, then take all the terms other side. This 729 will take other side. So a plus x, then 729 is as it is itself. A minus x by a plus x whole power 5, take other side. Then already this side a plus x by a minus x into, this will be change. So a plus x by a minus x whole to the power 5. So if you take other side, interchange. Then this is a plus x by a minus x whole to the power 6. 729 is 3 power 6. Then if you cancel the powers, then 3 by 1 is equals to a plus x by a minus x. Then we'll apply the component do and dividend rule for this. So applying, so component do and dividend. Just if you apply, then you'll get, just the formula for component and dividend, that is adding numerator and denominator and subtracting both. That is a plus x by a minus x plus again a minus x, a plus x minus a plus x. So this numerator and denominator we added and subtracted both. Similarly 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, subtract and add. Just to simplify, getting some cancellations, this is 2a by minus is cancels, 2x is equals to 4 by 2. Then 2 to get cancelled and 2 ones are 2 2s. Finally a by x is equals to 2 by 1. Then from this x is equals to a by 2. X is equals to a divided by 2. So x value is a by 2 now. So value of x is a by 2. So we can solve this problem this way. So main thing is we have to apply component and dividend rule. Whenever this is like this, after changing 3 power 6 and cancellation, you can do like this. So this is about question number 8. Now let us solve the problems from the question number 9. We'll do it now.